This is a used 2008 Cadillac Escalade, powered by all-wheel drive, a 6.2-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, heated steering wheel, leather seats, heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, remote start, steering wheel controls, memory seats, a premium sound system, aluminum rims. Safety was made a priority with these features: second and third row head airbags, rain sensing wipers, traction control, parking sensors, stability control, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.